Viu?
Ai, Jesus, eu que não vou. Abre a porta ali, amor.
Mas é vidro pra isso. Pode ir.
Jesus, eufórica foi nessa porta.
What's up, man?
Good afternoon, sir.
How you doing?
Pretty good. I have something to ask you. I lost my job because of this corona stuff, right? I have 3 sons and 2 daughters, and I'm hungry and I don't have no money for them.
I got you, man.
Thank you, sir.
No problem, man.
1 million, right?
Thank you, man.
I really appreciate what you're doing.
No problem, man.
For the community.
Gave you some extra stuff for you and your kids, alright? Thank you.
When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid, I know that.
Mark, I can't believe how drunk you are.
I am not drunk.
Yes, you are.
I am not fucking drunk.
Can you tell the time?
Yes. I am not fucking drunk.
IG, Instagram, IG, Brain, Water, waiter, Android, sleep, slap, dog, Shadow, dog, ow.
Ooh, yeah. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-E-I-O. Ooh, and on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. It removed, that removed, everywhere, a moo-moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-E-I-O. Ooh, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there. There a oink there and everywhere, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-E-I-O.
Kenji, hindi yun. Hindi ganon.
Eh ano?
Kenji, hindi mo ba talaga naiintindihan?
Ang ano?
Yung totoo.
Na ano?
Gusto ko nang itigil to kasi nagiging totoo na.
Totoong ano?
Totoong nagkugustuhan na kita.
Mayday. 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 Mayday, mayday.
Mayday!
Oh,
Mayday!
Oh, mayday.
Happy Mayday to you! Happy Mayday!
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Finish the song.
Duwa tayo. Please na. Sasanib naman.
Bagaikan langit di sore hari berwarna biru sendiri hatiku.
The crocodiles maneuver around them with surprising ease. A strike can happen at any time.
Favourite item from home, a bit of extravagance, this was this wonderful colour-up. A large bulb, clever electronics underneath, turn it on, and introduce a number of coloured pieces. The idea with this is it will, like a chameleon, it will take on the colour of anything that's underneath it. So if you put it onto an orange piece and squeeze the bulb, it'll turn orange. Or if you put it onto a pink one, it'll turn pink. Or yellow, become yellow, back to red, bit of green, ooh boy, and finish with the blue. So a friend of mine said, what about top of your head? What colour is that? I said, I don't know. I haven't looked in the mirror recently, but I knew it used to be a nice brown colour when I had hair. But now, well, we'll try it, shall we? What's the top of my head colour? Give a squeeze. Oh, pink, of course. Because I'm in the pink of health. You are too.
May tanong ako!
May tanong ka?
Oh. Anong hayop ang nagsasalita ng bakit?
Meron ba nun?
Meron!
Ano yun?
Unggoy.
Unggoy?
Oh!
Bakit?
O, tingnan mo!
Nung nakalimutan mo magbayad ng kuryente, yun ang mali. Nung nakalimutan mo yung anniversary natin, mali yun. Nung nagawa mo kung lokohin, mali din yun. Pero para ulitin mo, hindi na yun mali. May sakit ka na.
Lasing ka na.
Ano ngayon kung lasing ako? Eh, amoy na amoy ko lahat ng kasinungaling na nagagaling dyan sa bibig mo. Lahat ng mga kasalanan mo na pilit mong tinatago sa akin ng paulit-ulit.
Han, please. Huwag muna tayo mag-usap ngayon. Baka pareho natin pagsisihan ang mga sasabihin natin.
Sa ating dalawa, kung merong dapat na magsisi, ikaw lang dapat yun! Pero bakit parang ako lang? Bakit parang ako lang yung nagsisi?
Hi guys, may napanood ako, 1% lang dito daw sa buong mundo ang pwedeng makagawa nito. Na itong index finger o yung hintuturo ay pwedeng ma-reach itong maliit na daliri na ito. Parang ganito. Yan. So meron daw kasing special na litid dito na pwede makagawa niyan at 1% lang sa buong mundo ang nakagawa. Kasama kaya kayo doon? Sige nga, itry nyo. Tapos mag-comment kayo kung nagawa nyo rin.
Shawty tongue out like a lizard. Shawty go to work and she Twizzler. Shawty tongue long like 4 Twizzlers. She gon' throw it back, I dismiss her neck.
All right, Tyler, first time driving a forklift. I want you to pick up this container right over here and put it over there. You got it? One less and he's ready to go. Be careful of the customer's truck over here, okay? A little to your right. To your right. No, Tyler, to your right. Brakes. Uh-oh.
Was it like that? Like that?